If you are wondering if there is calculator available on a Xiaomi Watch 5, then by default the calculator is not added. But what you can do is you can simply use the Play Store that we have available from the get-go. And then here we should be able to search for a calculator. We can of course use the keyboard if you want to. You can use voice to text in order to search for calculator. There we go. And then you should be able to find a couple of different apps that should allow you to use the calculator. So let's say I'm going to use this one. This is just an example. Feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. And once the calculator is downloaded, then you should be able to, of course, open it and use it on your Xiaomi Watch 5. So let's wait for this app to be installed. All right, there we go. Now we can open it. And we should be able to use the calculator. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.